So this is my plan for my front steel panniers. Now, if anybody's deciding to make these, what you'll need to do is get some way of bending the metal. Now, this is my metal bender I've made. It's basically a log with two pins in it and a bit of angle iron with a hole drilled in it, and you basically put your metal through here and you get it on here and you just pull that and it bends it. It's the most simple way I could think of that wasn't going to take a lot of time to make something to bend some mild steel. So that's basically my metal bender. Okay, so this is where we are with the panniers. Now, this is the first side made, and this bit in the middle here, that's going to be run and hoop over and connect to the other side so it goes over the wheel. And then there'll be bracket up here somewhere to attach to the fork, and there'll be a bracket in here somewhere attached to the bottom of the fork. I may be adding another piece that comes in here somewhere. Probably. But see what I want. See, I've got an arc welder. It's quite a beastie welder. So that's why I've designed it this way, that I've got three parts to tack onto to sort of spread the heat, because my welder would eat this like it was a jam sandwich. So same way here, it will be 3 sections to spread the heat for the tacking. So we'll just tack it, tack these and flip it, tack the other side of them, and that should be strong enough. And then I'll add in this other piece. It'll probably have a bend in it. It'll bend in here and come down, and it'll bend along here. So it'll come up here, a bend in it, come down, and it'll bend down here. So I've got 2 bits to spread the heat and attack that. So that's the first side. All I need to do is copy that for the other side and just do it to the exact profiles of these ones, and tack it together. So we'll wait and see what that looks like. So to aid me in my welding, I've made this little platform to weld on, and I've put brackets at the end here, and the brackets are to hold the hoop. Once a hoop is formed, and you just slip the hoop in there, and you can weld your first side onto the hoop, and then when you've done your first side, just flip it over, and the hoop will hold the side you've just done up high, and you can work on the other side down low. It's just an easy way to do it, and it helps you. You don't need somebody else to try and hold it for you and they're shaking about and you don't get it right or something. So that's the platform, and what I'll do with that, I've got a big ceramic tile that I can sit on top of this so it doesn't burn the wood. I'll probably throw it away after I'm finished anyway, but don't want to start fires.